A lot of people walk in a store and say, just show me the best 36-inch dual fuel range. If there were one best, this video would be over in about 30 seconds. But you're about to spend $10,000 to $15,000. You should know your options and the truth. And the truth is, each range is good at a different aspect of cooking. One's built for serious heat, another for better baking, and another's more cleanable. Instead of looking for the one best, let's find the range that's best for you. We'll cover 5 top choices for 2026, what they do really well, and where they might leave you frustrated. At the end, we'll also give you 3 of the most common mistakes everyone makes when buying a pro range. That is everyone but you. Let's start with Wolf, probably the best known pro range. Wolf's burners work like they have 2 gears, one for serious searing and low for a gentle simmer. One burner can hit 20,000 BTUs, enough to sear a steak fast, and then drop all the way to melt chocolate without scorching on every burner. Not just 2, like some of the others on this list. And you can choose a built-in grill or griddle. The grill uses infrared, more intense directed heat than gas. Basically the same type of heat in those high-end outdoor Lynx grills. Inside the oven, twin fans with extended elements keep the heat moving so you don't get hot spots. Every cookie on every rack bakes the same. And then there's the Wolf Gourmet Mode. Think of it as a built-in cooking assistant. You tell it what you're making, it picks the time, temperature, and even the rack position. You also have over 50 pre-programmed recipes as well. Wolf's one of the most balanced ranges you could buy, but it's not perfect. Only one of the 6 burners top the 20,000 BTU mark. The style options are also pretty restrained: stainless steel, black or white, and you can swap the famous red knobs for black or stainless, but that's it. And finally, Wolf sticks to the basic. There's no built-in steam or sous vide features. If you want cutting-edge tech, SKS or Miele might be a better fit. If you want restaurant-level heat and a range that looks like no one else's, BlueStar's your brand. These burners hit 25,000 BTU, the highest in this list, with 2 more at 22,000. BlueStar also added modern touches too, a new touchscreen, which is the same one you see on Wolf and Monogram, and updated X8 seal burners, like Thermador Star burners, only larger. And then there's customization. This is where BlueStar is the best. It has over 1,000 colors, dozens of knob finishes, and 6 custom trims. You can match your range to your backsplash, your cabinets, even your favorite sports team. BlueStar is powerful and bold, but it's not perfect. It doesn't simmer as well as the others on this list. If you do a lot of delicate sauces or melting, that could matter. The oven isn't self-cleaning either. Also, it may have a touchscreen, but there's no guiding cooking like Wolf's Gourmet Mode or Miele's MasterChef. You still have to set your own times and temperatures. And you only get a griddle, not a grill on this model. Okay, baking is your thing. Breads, pastry, or roast that stay juicy. Miele may be the range you've been looking for. First, MasterChef, one of the smartest cooking systems you'll find. Like Wolf, you choose the food, how you want it cooked, and the oven calculates the time, temperature, and rack position. Or you can pick a dish from over 100 stored recipes, and Miele's MasterChef sets everything for you. Then there's Moisture Plus, Miele's unique ability to add steam, which is especially valuable on a dual fuel range. Electric ovens are naturally a dry heat, which can pull moisture out of the food. Miele fixes that by adding gentle bursts of steam when needed. The result, you get bread with a crispy crust and soft center. Roast that stay juicy instead of drying out. And Miele makes it simple. You want sourdough bread? Just hit the button that says sourdough. Miele's also the easiest on this list to keep clean. The oven racks can stay inside during self-cleaning, and the racks are dishwasher safe. Miele is precise, cleanable, and brilliant for baking, but it's not for everyone. Burners max out at 19,500. That's plenty for most cooking, but not as much as BlueStar's 25,000 or SKS's 23,000. The back burners are all under 13,000, so only 3 burners really deliver high heat. There's no reduction option, no sous vide, just gas burners with either 6 burners or 4 plus a griddle. And design-wise, it's stainless steel only. If you're dreaming of bold colors or trims, you have to look at BlueStar or Viking instead. Thermador is one of the most recognized names after Wolf, and for good reason. Their signature star burners aren't just for looks. They sit slightly raised off the surface so spills don't get trapped underneath. They actually wipe under the burners, which makes cleanup way easier than most ranges. Thermador also offers an induction burner along with gas. It's huge. You want the speed and precision of induction without giving up the look and feel of gas. Induction boils faster than any gas burner. It's unbeatable for simmering. Speaking of simmering, Thermador has 2 ultra-low burners that average just 100 BTUs, perfect for melting chocolate or keeping delicate sauces warm. Thermador is easy to clean and great for simmering, but there are a few trade-offs. Griddle is electric, not gas, which means it heats more slowly and takes a longer time to recover. The oven only has one convection fan, while Wolf and Miele have two. So if you bake a lot on multiple racks, you might notice slightly less even results. And there's no guiding cooking like Wolf's Gourmet or Miele's MasterChef. You'll be setting times and temperatures yourself. SKS is the only range that mixes gas, induction, and sous vide on one cooktop, and that makes it the most unique option on this list. If you live in Massachusetts, there's another bonus. SKS can vent to just 400 CFM and still meet makeup air rules. Translation, you can often keep your existing vent hood instead of ripping open walls for a bigger one. You get a 23,000 BTU burner for serious searing, plus two ultra-low burners at 100 BTU for better simmering. You also get those two induction zones, fast thinning gas burner, super precise for low heat, and easy to wipe clean since the surfaces get scorching hot. And then there's SKS's showpiece, a built-in sous vide well. Sous vide controls food and water at a perfect controlled temperature, so steaks, salmon, or vegetables come out tender and evenly cooked every time, and even reheat beautifully without drying out. SKS is packed with features no one else has, but it's not for everyone. Cooktop layout gets some used to, gas in the middle, induction, and sous vide on either side. If used to 6 burners across, it might feel different, though SKS does offer a version with 4 burners and an easy-to-clean chromium griddle as well. That sous vide well, fantastic if you use it. If you don't, it's basically just a covered hole in the cooktop. And also, there's no built-in grill option here, only burners, induction, and a griddle is an option. You don't have color choices with SKS either. Finally, SKS is the newest brand on this list. It's backed by LG, but it doesn't have the decades-long track record of Wolf or Thermador. Before we wrap up, there are 3 biggest mistakes we see people make when shopping for a 36-inch pro range. Each of these brands is unique. Don't buy the one you heard is the best, buy the one you'll actually use. Brands like BlueStar and SKS are incredible, but only if there's a trained service team in your area. Otherwise, when something breaks, you're on your own. Check service on every brand before you buy. And lastly, every range on this list is dual fuel. Gas burners on top with an electric oven. Electric ovens are better for baking because they're a drier heat. But if you roast or broil more, an all-gas range might be a better fit. It's usually cheaper and easier to install as well. So which of these 5 ranges is right for you? You can see all of these live in any of our 6 showrooms: Boston, Framingham, Hanover, Hyannis, Nantucket, and Norton. You can walk in or schedule an appointment with us at your convenience. Our team can figure out which range makes the most sense for your kitchen. We'll actually deliver it, install it, and service it if you ever need help. Download a free appliance buyer's guide to get reliable, data-driven advice before you buy. Thanks for watching.